Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make a sandwich and grow a garden. So for the normal sandwich we need 2 tomatoes and 1 corn. So all you need to do here is to go to near the cookout area, pull out your backpack and then select tomato, and then you just need to, once tomato is selected, you need to submit to pot. Then again select another tomato, submit to pot, and then look for corn also, and then submit to pot here. Corn, submit to pot, and then as you can see here in my case here I need to wait for 7 minutes. And in the meanwhile we can look that you can make legendary sandwich. There is 3 options, and I will leave the website where you can check all the mythical, divine, prismatic and other options for your sandwich or other recipe. Mythical, you need tomato, corn, elder strawberry, sugar apple and amber lily. With the divine you need to 3 bone blossom, 1 tomato, 1 corn. With the prismatic you need to grand tomato, sugar glaze and bone blossom. So this website will be in the video description below. And guys, once the time is passed, you just need to go to the cookout area again, press E, and then as you can see you should have a sandwich, and your backpack should be sandwich here. So that's pretty much it.